What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you how to still make use of Grok for free. I'm not capping in this particular video. I'm going to really show you how to make use of Grok for free. So if that's your aim in this particular video, just stick to this particular video, because towards the end of this video I'm going to be showing you the secret website we are going to be using to generate Grok videos for free. The videos you're seeing on the screen here are some of the videos I created using this particular website for free. Let's dive in and start creating the videos.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
So as I said, I'm going to be showing you 3 amazing websites I use in creating videos. Why the third one is going to be the one that we are going to be making use of Grok for. Now let's just quickly move to the first website we are going to be using. The first website I'm going to be showing you in this particular tutorial is this particular website. I will pin in the link to this website in the comment section. Do ensure you check it out. Once you click on the link and it brings you here, this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're here, the first thing you're going to do is to quickly just click on start for free. You can click on start for free and log in with your account, and you see that every daily you get 10 credits to use on this particular website. You'll be given 10 credit every year. So I've gone ahead to successfully log into my account. This is the main dashboard. From here we have AI image editor, we have AI video editor, AI photo studio. All down you can see all the home. If you want to see all the whole tools they have on this particular website, you can just click here and you see all the whole tools you can use on this particular website. Now for this, I'm going to quickly just show, because I just want to show you that you can do a lot with this particular website for free. Now let's say from here I want to do something like you want to describe or generate any image, or you want to describe any image you want to. So let me just say, for example, I want to say tell it to. So I just try to input a prompt here. So let's just say this is what I wanted to create a picture of a young Nigerian man holding a ball, looking at the goalpost and smiling. That's just what I just wanted to do. So now let me just say, now you can see I'm creating image. So I'm going to just copy this prompts. Now I'm going to now click on create image. So once you click on create image, you can see your task has been submitted. Then just wait for it to finish processing. You can see it's processing. If once it's done, you can see click on view projects. You will see the list of all your projects you've done so far on this particular website. So let's just wait for this to finish generating the image. You can see it's done generating the image, and you can see how beautiful the result came out to be. So you can see that this particular software is really doing great. You can just click on this and it's going to download the picture for you. So now let me now go back now, and as I said, if you click on view projects, you're going to see all the list of all your projects you've done here. You can also still download from here. So now I'm going to you can see on the view create video, you can see you can also make use of seedings in this particular site. Now remember, when I created the image, I didn't add any aspect ratio. You can from here select your aspect ratio you want. So because I didn't add it just automatically, that was why you see the image regenerate, but more or less like square. That's 1:1 aspect ratio. So that's just it. If you want to change your aspect ratio, you can change it from here. Now let me go on the video section. Let me say I'm still going to be making use of this. You can see from here, you can click on this settings here. You will be seeing all the whole models you can use to create your video. So I just wanted to show you that you can do a lot on this particular website. And if you have any reference image, you can import it from here. Just click on it and import your reference image you want to make use of. Now the second great website I normally use for image generation and also for video generation is the Meta AI. So you can see the Meta AI is another great image or video generator I use personally. You can see I've done a lot of projects using this particular. You can see I've done a lot of projects from here using this particular AI. Now once you come in here, you need to log into your account. You need to have something like a Facebook account to be able to log into the Meta AI. Now, from what you hear, there's a lot you can do. Let me just say from here, you can see, you can create. Why say I want to create image? What you just need to do, you can see I'm on new chart. Just click on create image. If you want to do video, you can see create video. Now, let me say I want to create an image. You can just call me over here and say creator. I'll use the same this thing prompt I use. Then once you're here, you're just going to click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to generate the image for you. So it's done analyzing, it's now generating the image for me. So now if let's say you can see the one I generated, now you can see this is the image it generated for me. You can see the image, this is the image it generated for me. So now I can, let's say you can specify the elements, just add something, let's say aspect ratio. So what I did, I went ahead to just change the, but I tried to make it add realistic to it, and also set and give it aspect ratio to Pluto. So what I will now do is I will go to click on send again. Now let's see if it's going to give me another different total results. Okay, you can see after specifying the aspect ratio I want it to create for me, you can see that it's no longer creating a portrait style of picture for me. Rather, it's not giving me a more or like a landscape kind of in cursing. This one was portrait, and you can see this one that is generated for me is now looking more like a landscape. You can see what it, and because I added realistic, you can see it's looking more way instead of cartoonish. So it's made just for you to ensure you propose your prompt very well. Now that's for the image. Now from here you can still animate this. So let me just say I like this particular image. I can click on animate. Yeah, it's going to animate the image for you. Now another thing we can also do here is that you can, let me come over to here, go chat. Let me show you the video aspect. You can click on video, and let me say I want to use the same animate. What I did was to change the prompt, just change it from create an image to create a video of it. The same, I'm using the same prompt. Let me say I'm using the same prompt. I'm going to now, once I note, I'm right now I'm on create video. I'm not on create image, I'm on create video. So I'm now going to click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to read, analyze, and generate the video for you. Let's just wait a little and see what it's going to generate for me. So you can see you can see what it has generated. So you can see how everything looks like. So you can just click on it to preview, enlarge what it generated. You can see, so you can see sample of what it has generated for me. So in case if you like this particular one, you can also, what you can also do, you can add music to it, or you can extend it. Once you click on extend, it's going to regenerate. You can see from here the maximum length of this particular video is 5 seconds, and see the maximum length is 5 seconds. If you should click on extend, it's going to now extend it to 8 seconds. So that's just how this particular website is. One thing you should note is that now this particular website is 100% free. It's not, you don't need to, it doesn't require you to have credit or anything. You are going to create unlimited using this Meta AI. Now let's now move to the last website we are going to be making use of. This is the website, and I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section. So you just click on it and it's going to bring me here. So once you're here, what you just need to do is just pretty much click on start for free. So once you click on start for free, you require to sign into your account, and you can say I've gone ahead to sign in into my own account using your Google account. So once you're here, the next thing you can see under here we have the AI videos. Under the AI videos, or what you just need to do, you can see you have a lot of models you can make use of. So for this particular video, we are talking about Grok. So now let's just click on Grok and see. So once you click on Grok, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So once you're here, you're going to just come down. And one thing about this website I forgot to tell you is that it's going to give you 20 credits every day to the week. So every day you sign into this particular website, you can claim your 20 credits. So now I'm going to now scroll down a little, and from in this particular side, I'm going to paste in my prompt. I'm going to paste in the prompt of what I wanted to do for me. So I've quickly just under the prompt section, I've quickly just inserted the particular prompt I wanted to, what I wanted to generate. To just a short something. I just want to try, I'm just trying to try out something here. So now you can, I'm going to, let's say I want to use this particular aspect ratio. Now I'm going to now scroll down a little. Then you can see we have duration. So you can decide to increase the duration. You can decide to reduce the duration. So let me just leave it the way it is for now. Then you can see we have the quality. You can decide to check out the quality to see. Now I'm going to, okay, I'm going to leave the quality the way this 720. I'm going to leave it like this. Then under the mode, we're going to select the mode, how we want it to look like, and I want to just put it as normal. Then after doing that, you're just going to click on generate video. So now once you click on generate, you can see your videos is in queue. And so once you just go and you scroll up, you're going to see your video generating here. So and if you are doubting that we are not using, this is not a Grok video, you can see from the top here, you will see Grok video. So it's actually generating a Grok using a Grok model for us. So now let's just wait for it to finish generating this particular video, and we're going to see the results. You can see it has finished creating my video for me. So you can just quickly just click over here. Let me preview it, and you can see right there.
One day I know I will surely make my country proud.
You can see the result is actually seamless, that is flawless. So you can see the result is something that is out of this world. It's really beautiful. So what you're going, in case you want to download, you can just quickly just click on download here and download the video, or you from this side you can still click on download, and it's going to download the video for you. So you can generate another video if you want. You can still generate it now. And what's trick you can do, you to able to get more credits, just log into this particular website every day. Now you will be given 20 credits every day to use all these particular websites. And if you want to keep creating more videos, what you in case if you exhaust your credit on this particular or one particular account, what you just need to do is to log out and log into another account. That's if you have like multiple emails, if I use to print, so you can have continue switching your account and create as much video as you want.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.